Now, dynamics are how loud or soft a piece of music is. We have Italian terms for that, piano, which means soft, or we have forte, which means loud. And you've got different extremes of that. You've got pianissimo, which means very quiet or very soft. And you've also got fortissimo, which is very loud. Now, we can control the volume of each of these tracks as we go along. If you, while you're in this window, press A, it brings this line up. Now, the moment you start editing this, it will read it all the way through. So you do just need to be aware that you have to check your volumes all the way through your piece if you're going to start using this. So for example, if I edit something here, it may change something earlier. So if you've got some tracks earlier on, it's just worth going back and checking those. But what I can do is, rather than having them all starting on full volume, we can build them up gradually. And it means it'll be quite a nice layered effect. So what you can see here is I'm just clicking on the line to create a dot, and then click the beginning and the end, and then you click and drag it up and down for the volume. And then I'm going to pull that down like that. So let's have a listen to that and see what that sounds. This is called automation. But essentially what we're doing is we're changing the volume of each track. And you can do other interesting things, like I could make it so as one comes in, another one fades out. So it's almost like Chinese whispers. Things sort of surge in and then come away again. So that's another effect that you might like to have a play with.